Have you ever heard about espalier? It's a fascinating horticultural technique originating from the gardens of France that trains trees or shrubs to grow flat against a surface. Not only does it save space, but it boosts fruit production and creates living art. So how exactly do we create an espalier? Creating an espalier might seem like a daunting task, but with a few simple steps, you can transform your garden. Let's dive right into it. Step 1 is all about choosing the right tree. While many fruit trees are suitable for espalier, apple and pear trees are often the favorites due to their flexible branches. Once you've selected your tree, it's time for step 2, planting. Place your tree about 8 to 10 feet away from the wall to allow for ample sunlight and air circulation. We're now moving on to step 3, training the tree. This is where the real artistry comes in. Prune your tree to a central stem and begin to train the side branches to grow horizontally by tying them to a support. Remember, patience is key here. Step 4 is all about maintenance. Regular pruning and tying are essential to ensure your tree grows in the desired pattern. This includes trimming off any shoots that deviate from your design and ensuring that the branches are tied securely to the support. And just like that, with a little time and care, you've created a beautiful espalier. And there you have it, a living work of art in your garden. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We've explored the art of espalier, transforming fruit trees into living sculptures. We've walked through the process, from selecting the right tree to training and pruning it into a desired shape. We can't stress enough the importance of regular maintenance to keep your espalier thriving. The beauty of espalier is worth the patience and effort. Remember, patience is key when creating an espalier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.